Good morning. Chapter 5, Lesson 2 is on page 212 today. We're going to be talking about some more exponents, and again on the right-hand side I've put the rules that we'll be using today. A to the mth power, and that thing is in parentheses, and if we raise that whole thing to the nth power, that turns out to be a to the m times n. So all we have to do is we multiply the exponents when we raise an exponent to another exponent. If we have two different exponents and we are multiplying them together in this second rule, b to the nth power, that can break out into a to the nth power times b to the nth power. And similarly, if we have them as a division, a divided by b to the nth power, it's nothing more than a to the nth divided by b to the nth. Let's see if we can use those rules today. And starting us off, we have 2m squared to the second power. Remember, this is really saying this is 2m squared times 2m squared. We can use this rule, the first one that we have over here, and this is the same as saying 2 to the first power m squared. Same thing, I just rewrote it. And this is saying 2 to the first times 2, which is this first one, 2 to the first power squared, times m squared to the second power, which means we multiply it as well. We're going a to the mth to the nth power. So when we're all done with this, it looks like 2 squared m to the fourth power, or 4m to the fourth. So that's what our answer would look like. 2m squared, all that squared, is 2 squared m to the fourth. Let's try this from problem number 81, where it says let's solve for a. Well, this looks like x to the 3a. And on the right-hand side, we have x to the fourth, x to the sixth. Well, that's this rule of just adding the exponents like we did yesterday. A to the mth times a to the nth is just a to the m plus n. This is yesterday's rule. So this side would give us then x to the 10th. And if we look at this, this must mean that this 10 and this 3a must be the same, which tells us then that the 3a must be equal to the 10, or a turns out to be 10 over 3. So if we were looking to solve this exponent expression, we would have to say that x to the 10th is the same as x to the 3a, which means they're the same exponent base, which means that 3a is 10, or a has to be solving for a 10 divided by 3. There's our answer for the two problems, Chapter 5, Lesson 2. See you guys all tomorrow.